Hi everyone, a complete configuration guide for setting up LAN-to-WAN policy, NAT, network objects, static route, SD-WAN profile, and rule in Sophos Firewall. Port 1 has LAN IP, now port 2 we configure WAN IP. Set name, zone, WAN IP and gateway IP name. After set the information, then save the configure. Set LAN IP, name and zone. Zone is mandatory based on services. After set the information, then save the configure. Similar to before, we're setting up another LAN on port 5. Navigate to the Routing tab to review the list of gateways. Then, proceed to the Static Route tab to configure multiple static routes based on specific services. Set the destination network, specify your ISP's gateway IP, and select the WAN interface. In this video, my WAN connection is down, which is why the red symbol is shown. Next, create an SD-WAN gateway profile by specifying the name, description, routing strategy, and selecting the appropriate gateways. Finally, save the configuration as demonstrated. SD-WAN profile creation is done. Now, create a rule for SD-WAN routes. Set the name of the rule, select the LAN port, choose the source networks, and select the SD-WAN profile that was created earlier. Create firewall rule, LAN-to-WAN name, LAN-to-WAN. Source zones, LAN. Source networks, LAN network. Create a network object. Destination zones, WAN. Destination networks, any. Services, any, or restrict to HTTP, HTTPS if desired action, allow. NAT, enable, use mask or customs NAT. Set basic profile for LAN-to-WAN access. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop a comment below, I'd love to help. See you in the next video.